Okay, for this question, the first question, how to find the x coordinates of m and n. Anything that lies on the x-axis, they have the y value to be 0. So for example, m, it has an x value which we do not know what, and also the y value to be 0 because it's lying on the x-axis. Again, anything that lies on the x-axis has a 0 y value. Similarly for n, it has an x value here, but we do not know what, but it has a 0 y value. So this is what they want to find for part A, x coordinates of m and n. In order to find this, we just need to substitute 0 to the value of y, because we know that y is equals to 0. So for part A, let y be 0, and then we have x minus 2, x minus 6. So if you remember quadratic equations, you have this 2 is equals to 0. So this is equals to 0. This is also equals to 0. So what's the value of x? Simply minus 2, bring over is equals to 2. X equals to minus 6, negative 6, bring over becomes positive 6. So x values we have two. One is 2 and the other one is 6. So logically speaking, the m would have the value of 2, n would have the value of 6. So I will just write that down. Here is 2, here is 6. So this is the first answer. M will have the value of 2 and 0, n would have the answer of 6 and 0. Okay, that's the first answer. Okay, second question. Find the y-intercept of the curve. Now the y-intercept is here. The y-intercept is here. So if anything that lies on the x-axis, it has a 0 y value. Anything that lies on the y-axis would have a 0 x value. So here it would have something like 0 and I don't know the value of y. So similarly, what I would do is I would substitute the x value equals to 0 into the equation. So for part B, I would say y is equals to 0 minus 2 and 0 minus 6 minus 2 times minus 6 equals to 12. So the coordinates for this would have been 12. That's the answer for B. Third question. Find the equation of the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is basically the line that would cut the graph exactly into half. So it will be somewhere around here. So using logic, if this is 2 and this is 6, the center number would be 4. So here would be 4. So the answer for this question will be x equals to 4. Okay, that's the answer for this, simply. X equals to 4. You just find the point that is in between of these two, and that would be the equation of the line of symmetry. Last question. Find the coordinates of the minimum point. Now, these two questions are related because the minimum point, which is here, this is the minimum point. This minimum point will coincide with the line of symmetry. So the line of symmetry is x equals to 4. Minimum point will simply be y equals to 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6. It is at the point when x equals to 4. So for part D, when x is equals to 4, y is equals to bracket 4 minus 6. 2 minus 2 equals to minus 4. So the coordinates, so since they are asking for coordinates, you say that, so the coordinates of minimum point is equals to x is 4, the y is negative 4. So that's the coordinates of the minimum point.